What's up guys, today I am here with another video. As I said in the previous video that I will attach my free energy generator to the small engine, and now it's the day today that I have attached my free energy generator to the small engine. So this is the two-stroke engine, and I have attached the free energy generator to the engine with chain system. These both are the sprockets and that are connected each other with the help of chain. So it took me 2 weeks. So I'm very sorry for the uploading a video very late. So I'm very sorry about this. And today my free homemade energy generator is attached to the small engine. So now I am going to start the engine, and the dynamo will power all these 5 energy savers. So I hope it will power these 5 energy savers. I will also show you in the multimeter the voltage, so I hope it will work fine. So let's see what happened. Guys, you saw that it was working fine, and uh, it was powering all the 5 energy savers and 100-watt bulb. Our desired voltage is 220, and it was also giving a 220 voltage. So this was the video on what I was working, and now it is in front of you, and I have proved that it is useful free homemade energy generator. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel live video and share with your friends. Thanks. See you in the next coming video.